Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Epson L360 step by step. If you see the blinking indicator on your printer, that means it needs to be reset. Next, open the resetter and run the application. Make sure the printer is turned on and the USB cable is connected to your laptop or computer. Then click the Select button. Select the model of your printer. I will select Epson L360. For the port, I will choose Auto Selection. Then click OK. Go to Particular Adjustment Mode. And now select Waste Ink Pad Counter. Click or check the main pad counter and click the check button to see if the printer reached the maximum count. Now click the Initialize button to reset the printer. Message box will show "Turned off your printer." Once you turn off the printer, click the OK button. Then reboot or turn on the printer, and that's it. Your printer is now reset. And that's all for today's video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.